Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check camera pixels in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to about device and here find out cameras, and here cameras specifications are showing. Front camera is using 32 megapixel and rear camera is using 50 megapixel primary and 32 megapixel secondary and 8 MP macro lens. Okay, so these are all the camera specifications that you can check. So how many pixels that you used to for front camera and rear camera can be clearly seen here. In this way you can easily check camera pixels in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.